It's a new feature I've noticed popping up on my TikTok profile. And when you open up your profile, you might see it. It looks like this: healthy meal plan. And then there's a join button. If you tap this join button, it takes you to this screen where it prompts you to create a post about a healthy meal plan. So if you tap this, it takes you into the TikTok screen where you can then pick photos and make your post. So obviously TikTok is pushing out these photo carousel type of posts. But let's say you want to do it, but you don't want to post your photos about a healthy meal plan. You want to use another topic. In that case, what you're going to do is tap on the search and type in "stand out with photos." Type that into the search bar. It's going to bring you to this banner, and you can tap on it, and then you can scroll down and look at other topics that might be available. Let's see what this topic is. So this one says healthy life hacks. So then you can participate in this series if you want to do a healthy life hack, and you would create your post, and that will add your video into the grouping under that topic. I'll be addressing this a lot more in next week's newsletter and podcast. You know where to find it.